Today I'm gonna be visiting Tyler. He knows everything about TikTok. He's the TikTok god. He's like Charlie Dimlio, but like the Walmart version / Florida version. Anyways, let's get out of here. Also, I'm growing something on my face, so just ignore that for now. Alright guys, we made it to Orlando.
Hell yeah, bro. We're gonna go eat breakfast now.
Guys, I'm growing a beard. What do you guys think?
I think you should shave it, 100%. You're freaking me out, man.
I've been trying so hard. Tyler, now that I finally have you in person, where's my shirt? The one you stole.
Bro, I seriously lost it.
Did you really?
No, but I'm not giving it back to
you. Certificate of work most likely to go viral. Tyler. He printed that out himself. Hello, Sam. What was that? Wait, what? What? What the fuck's wrong with you?
Scared. I told you. You're like people change on camera. They act cool. I don't act cool.
They have a motivational quote.
I'm not even whatever you all want to split. I'm about to take a fat shit in there.
I was selling the camera.
Motivation?
Yeah, motivation quote. Right on the toilet.
I'm an ambassador for 3 brands now.
Oh, that's freaking dope.
Yeah, man.
Which brands?
Sunny Bathe Co. Which is, they sent me a female bathing suit I have to put on. This is where the wonderful Willet coffees are made.
Do you actually make, you don't make actual coffee, like if you ever need
no, I mean, this coffee machine's been done. Actually, it doesn't smell bad right now. It smells like M&M's. There's some ramen noodles in there still. Alright, bro.
Look, man. I know you've been making a lot of money off TikTok.
Hold on 1 second.
Go ahead.
You want to flex on your early guys?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Let me show you the potential of what you could be making off of TikTok.
Oh boy.
No, seriously, I think we can get you to 1,000 followers on TikTok by the end of this week.
By the end of the week? It's Friday.
Yeah, by the end of the week.
What? By Sunday?
Yes.
No way. I have 66 followers.
I think it's gonna take one good video. I think we should spend the rest of today making the absolute perfect TikTok. And once we have the absolute perfect TikTok, we post it, you get 1,000 followers, I prove you right. Prove myself right.
What if I don't? Because I just feel like that's a bit unrealistic, don't you think?
No, I don't think. And I think you're gonna make $52 million off this post.
Okay, now I see where you're coming from. So if anybody wondered what it looked like, behind the scenes of making a TikTok, we have Tyler, we have the coffee, we have an entire studio, and we have a dead person.
She's fine. She's been there for a couple days, which I swear she's fine. I think we should do a skit of some sort. I think it needs to be quick, punch, and funny.
Okay.
Just think of like day to day, like the way I think of TikTok usually is I think of like day-to-day jokes I make with people that are funny. Oh, bro, you can be like, bro, I hate when people say I'm Cuban and I came over on a raft and I'm illegal. Like, I think it's so wrong to assume that. And you can be like, well, I am, but like, you shouldn't assume that.
That's the one, bro. That's the one.
Let's shoot it.
Okay. I wanted to ask you this. What do you think of my TikTok so far, man? Like, if you were to rate it from like A, B, C, D.
If like I was a teacher, I would expel you from the school.
I just really hate how like people are always like, oh, you're Cuban, you must be illegal, you must have come on a raft or something. Like, yeah, I did, but like just don't assume that like that quick, you know? Like, take some time.
So now we're gonna do some research on my phone while I'm sitting there.
Oh wow, look, he does research. All of this goes into making TikTok, right? Like even researching hashtags?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, this is...
It's like YouTube.
Yeah, like I'll look up the hashtag Cuban humor. Like I'm just gonna use that.
Oh,
Cuban humor has 160,000 views, which isn't, you don't want a lot of views on a hashtag. You don't want any more than like 200,000.
We're heading to McDonald's to get the Travis Scott burger. Me, Tyler, and Tyler have been going ham on TikTok.
Bank loan? Because you have my interest.
Sir, you have over 1,000 in unpaid loans and will be foreclosing your house tomorrow.
So you've been checking me out. 2 of the Travis Scott burgers.
12.84 at the quick window.
Oh boy.
How much?
12.84 for 2.
For just a sandwich? No, they fucking ripped you off. That's the meal, no?
No, this is just a sandwich.
Just a sandwich? Yeah. Fuck you, Travis Scott. Guys, if you're wondering where I slept yesterday, this is it. I slept on the pool floor. Tyler didn't have a mattress, so I had to sleep here. That's a pain in the ass.
Oh, dude, it was A quality sleep. You're being a pussy.
Today I'm going to be trying the Charlie Dimlio. As you can see, I already tried it. It's very strong. I feel like I'm gonna blow up any second. I understand now why Charlie has so much energy and why she does like 10,000 renegades. This has like 30,000 grams of sugar as well, but she burns it all off by doing 10,000 renegades. But I've spent a couple of days here at the Hype House and it's nothing like what I expected.
Tyler, what the hell are you doing, bro?
Did you not see that water bill, bro?
No, how much was it?
Oh no, how much did I say? We can cut it.
What's a big number?
What's a big number?
Just say too much.
Too much. It's like the shitty, it's the crackhead version of the Hype House.
It's been pretty cool. I've learned a lot of shit about TikTok.
I think we should make a challenge. You have to do something if you don't upload once every day. You don't upload a TikTok every single day for until you get one viral video. What are some things you hate?
Spending money on stupid shit.
Oh, easy. Okay, you have to donate $50 to a charity of my choice.
What charity are you gonna donate
The
to?
worst one you could think of. I don't know what it's gonna be. You're gonna donate to some tractor organization for like the Midwest. You're gonna be doing a disservice to the world by not here. You better upload.
Alright, that's deal.
Deal?
Yeah.
Okay, it's done.
Which is the wrong apartment. Before we go to the gym, can I borrow some snacks? Can I eat something? I'm very hungry.
I have a lot of vegan options. So.
Let me guess which one's yours. Not this one. Not this one. That's all me. This is yours. This is your side. What do you have in this fridge? I don't eat. What do you eat?
The grass outside.